Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a house tour. Who knew I was gonna move to Mexico, honestly? But I moved here. Not for like permanently, but for some time, at least like a couple months. I've been here since July of this year, pretty much since like quarantine. Yeah, pretty much since quarantine, but I'll go into why in another video. But this video, I did want to show you guys a little house tour. This is my late grandmother's house, and yeah, we're taking over. Let's get started with the tour. In here, not me, but you know what? It'll do. It'll do. Okay, so as you walk in, this is the dining room area. That frame is normally like hung right there, but let's be real, when I'm filming, I kind of want the white brick. So this is kind of like my little makeup station. And the decor in here obviously is not mine. The parentals decorated it and stuff. And then if you guys are wondering, that's my uncle over there. He passed away a long time ago. And yeah, so my dad pretty much designed and decorated this whole entire place. So none of the decor is moi's. But you know, you just gotta roll with it. This is the kitchen. You have to like take a minute because this is the cleanest it's been in a very, very long time. There's normally always dishes there and I'm always washing dishes. I feel like it's never ending. So had to take advantage of the fact that I finally did the dishes and yeah. So that's pretty much the kitchen. Has a lot of space actually. This is, compared to like my last apartment in Cabo, this kitchen is ginormous in comparison. And then the fridge, we have two fridges. This one's very vintage, like the vintage fridge that like really doesn't work. So we use that one to like put the milk and stuff like that that really do need refrigeration. This one has a little bit, but not really. And then we also have these tanks. So if you didn't know, here you have to actually get your gas tanks filled. So you'll hear people whistling outside and then you pretty much buy gas from them and then they fill it up. So this one that we use for the bathroom just ran out. So we have to get that filled. And then you're walking over here. So you see that's the entrance. Over here is one of the bedrooms. This one is just pretty much used for storage. I ain't even gonna lie. It has like all my dad's tools and stuff. So whenever he comes over, yeah, so he just stocks this room as storage. So yeah. Then there is this room, which let me, it's like blue. So this room is pretty much like my storage. So we have obviously like our closets and our clothes and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what we keep in this one. And then the room over here, this is normally like my parents' room or like just the main bedroom. There's so much God stuff in here. But yeah, so this is how it looks. And then it just has like the window to the backyard. So over here is the bathroom. It's very blue. So yeah, it's actually ginormous. Ginormous bathroom. We have this little thing that keeps all of our stuff. And then, yeah, that's just pretty much, oh, and if you didn't know, back there is where you have to actually turn on the gas. which I'll show you outside so that you can get hot water. Because if I just turn on the shower head right now, it's gonna be fucking cold. And there you go. That is the bathroom. And then going back over here is the living room. So what is also something new is the fact that we have, this is like the satellite thing. I don't know what it's called, but that's where we get like cable and stuff. But realistically, we don't use cable. I'm just normally watching Netflix or YouTube. And these seats are gonna be the first thing to go. We're looking for new couches and stuff just because they're just really, really, really old. Yeah, so that is pretty much the house. I want to show you guys the outside, which you can actually go through the kitchen to the backyard. The backyard is huge. So that's pretty much how it looks. Backyard is ginormous. It literally could fit like another house back here. But yeah, the weeds and the grass grows so quickly. It's normally like a forest back here, but this is before it gets cut. It's just showing you the real deal. But anyways, so every night I have to come out here and turn on the boiler. And then you just turn it on right here. And then you go back inside. You have to wait 30 minutes for the water to heat. And then you could use the shower. But that's pretty much the back. And then going towards the front of the house. This is pretty much like the front. Oh, I wanted to show you these tanks. So I have a video of me of every, oh my God, I hear somebody. They scared me. Anyways, so we have this large tank that fills water up and then two that are on the roof. But every Wednesday and Saturday the water comes and we have to manually fill these up. So there's like this little gadget and stuff that, you know, we get. This one, the water comes from the street and we need to pump water into this. And our water has run out like twice. And then there's also like this little room here. I want to say it's like a storage room. Another storage room. Yeah, we put stuff to hang right there once we wash them. So yeah, that's, I used to go into this room when I first moved in to use the internet because the neighbor has a seabed, which is like a computer. He like rents out computers and internet if anybody wants to use it, because not a lot of people have their own like computers and laptops and stuff here. So you go to the next door neighbor and borrow his internet. Anyways, I would go into this room and the internet would connect to my phone. So yeah, we got this tree or branch. I don't know what this is. It's been trying to grow. We have a lot of little lizards everywhere too. Yeah, and then pretty much this is the front of the house. It's a cute little brick house. So I was editing and realized I didn't do an outro, but thank you guys all so much for watching. You're gonna get some Mexico content, a day in the life. Even though it's so boring here, I don't even do anything, let's be real. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.